Hi everyone. On to the next 5 pops we got from Undiscovered Realm.
I actually just popped this one open because I wanted to pop one open, and he hasn't seen it yet. But that's what we're looking at.
Is this something good? Is this something good? Oh, another One Piece pop. That's cool. Another One Piece pop. Honestly, I'll probably give this one to Corey because he probably likes this guy better. Sabo. He's cool. Holding fire. And then cut the sides. Yeah, okay. So far, guys, nothing in protectors. Unfortunately. Another duplicate. Don't give it away, babe.
Huh?
You're giving it away, Blair. So far, this unboxing's been.
What we're looking at?
I don't know. What we got? Another duplicate, unfortunately. Hold up. Is this?
Yeah.
He's just. Okay, yeah. And Osuki. I'll probably get a box from Ralphie's next time.
Yeah, probably. You haven't had very good luck with Undiscovered Realm.
No. Not a lot of luck so far.
Whoop. Hit the phone.
You're gonna damage the pop if you do that. What? Is there a golden ticket in there? Is there a golden ticket in there? Don't tell me there's a golden ticket in there.
Open the box.
Okay, guys. So I got something in a protector, and this is nice. This is nice. It's a signed Naruto 6-path Sage pop. Wow, you guys, I was just talking mess about them. I take all of it back. I take it all back. It has the JSA ticket in the back. It says "Believe It" and Naruto at the bottom with his signature. Wow.
I opened it from the back and I seen the JSA, and then I seen it was Naruto, and I was like, oh yeah, he's gonna like it.
It's signed, babe, and his pop is nice. Wow. Okay, I might order again from them. Okay, I might order some more anime boxes. I might. Okay, I'm not gonna lie.
Let me see.
Wow. And I just said nothing to protector. That's not. Can you get all that plastic out? That's crazy, you guys. First hit of the day.
Yes.
I got an autograph pop. I was not expecting that. That is
Definitely was not expecting an autograph.
wow. I'm super happy. I'm happy with that.
And we have 2 more boxes left of that.
And 2 more boxes, so just hold tight. I want to get him out of the protector. Check him out.
Let me see my phone. I want to look him up, see how much he's worth.
Here you go. Wow. This was one of the ones in the picture.
Was it?
Go look at the picture. It's already on this Undiscovered Realm.
Yep.
How many of these do they have on the picture?
There's one in yellow,
me see.
one in blue, and one in red.
This was the yellow. I wonder if this was the most expensive one. It's the 6th path. Autographed. Wow.
Dude, this weight.
That is awesome.
Dude.
Let me see. I got you.
I wanted to look at it first. Was not expecting that.
Here. Was not expecting that at all.
6-path Sage?
Yeah.
That's glow in the dark.
Is it glow?
No, this one's glow in the dark.
Just look up the, it should have like variants.
Okay.
Do not let Carson.
Wow.
Do not let Carson get this.
No, I'm not. Trust me.
Black light?
No.
Got one black light?
I don't think so. It looks like that. Or like that.
They don't have a very.
Let me see.
Hold on.
We gotta get on with the video, babe. Come on.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, guys. We're gonna get on with the video while she's looking at the value of this. But first hit of the day. We might have some more. We might have something else in some of these boxes.
You don't glow?
No, I don't think so.
There's 3 set variants of the one that looks like this one, but this one's black, from 110 to 220.
All right, guys. What we got? We got another good pop. Do I have that one? Oh, I do.
You-
Well, another duplicate. Ty Lee. That might have made up for the whole box, honestly.
Probably so.
Let me see your phone. Let me see something.
All right, go ahead and tell them. Oh, you have one more. Open
Yep.
that last one, and then you can do that.
I don't know. All right, last pop of this video, you guys. And then I guess at the last video, I'm gonna get all the values or whatever. What we got? Fire Lord Ozai. Oh, that's one that I got.
That's a new one?
That's a new one. Cool. Oh, that's pretty cool. He's in like a fire base.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty cool. And from this line, I got Ty Lee, Admiral Zhao, and now Fire Lord Ozai. That's pretty cool. All right, you guys. This one was pretty successful. Got a signed Naruto 6-pass Sage Pop. One of the ones in the picture. And yeah, can't believe that. Believe it. Anyway, stay tuned for the last 2 videos. Anyway, y'all have a great day, and I don't know. I'm stunned.